How to use GT105 to short circuit and wake up ECU. When we turn the key to the ACC gear, the meter does not light up, and the anti-theft matching device cannot collect data. At this time, we can use GT105 to short circuit the car OBD interface, pins 1 to 16. Before connecting, we first press the V1 to 16 button on the GT105. Then insert GT105 and start OBD interface and turn the key to the ACC. At this time, we can see that the meter is lit, and finally we can start to connect the key programming device and start the key matching operation.